Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the August Nomadic Box, so stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. And today we're going to be talking about the August 2020 Nomadic Box. So if you're unfamiliar with what Nomadic Box is, it is a subscription service. They come in boxes like this. Let me get to my cheat sheet and I'll give you some prices. So you can order a subscription of either 1 month, 6 months, or 12 months. If you order 1 month, it's $32.95. If you order 6 months, it breaks down to $31.25 per month. And if you do 12 months, it breaks it down to $29.99 per month. Now, the cool thing about Nomadic is you can skip any month. Say you order 12-month subscription and month number 8, you're not going to be at home the time it's supposed to arrive. You can skip that month. They have an ironclad guarantee. What that means is something comes in the box that either doesn't work or you already have one and you don't need it. You can let them know and they will replace that item with something else. You can cancel this at any time. So if you do the 12 months, you can cancel it at any time. So let's get into this box. Okay, so this month the box came in and they put my address on the top, so I'm not going to show you the front of the box, but we've got hashtag Be Nomadic and we've got We Go Where Others Won't. So let's get into this and see what came in it this month. So I love Nomadic. They did send me this out for free to go over with you guys, but I have done a subscription in the past and absolutely loved it. So I think it's worth the money, in my opinion, based on what you get. They say that each box has at least a $50 value. All right, so I haven't had one that comes packaged like this before. So we got a sticker. We're gonna have to tear this paper. Okay, so here's what we got. All right, so each month, if you're new to Nomadic or you're new to my channel, each month comes with a pamphlet, a little flyer. So each month has a theme. So this month is on the water and it has a cool picture. This one is a pretty cool picture right there. And then when you open this, you have what's inside. So it looks like this box has 5 items. Another really awesome picture here. And then little tips and tricks like water day packing list, things that you should pack while you're going out on the water. And then on the back side is a challenge, a Nomadic challenge that's good for the month, the winner, there are 5 winners and you can get a $50 product bundle for free on top of what you already have. There's also brand discounts on here that sometimes are good for a month. These look like they're good for 6 months and one of them's good for a year. So you got some good promo codes, discount codes on there. So let's just jump right into this and see what we have. First thing on top, Earth Pack waterproof phone case. So IPX8 waterproof protection, watertight closure, fully submersible underwater. This is made by Earth Pack and that is pretty cool. So if you're spending the day out on the water, you definitely want to keep your phone protected so it doesn't get damaged in the water. But yeah, that's pretty cool. What does this say about it? Universal design, fits every size phone. To ensure that your phone stays safe and dry, simply snap, lock, and get ready to capture your adventures in a whole new way. So, yeah, pretty cool. I do not, excuse me, I do not have a waterproof case like this, but I will definitely be checking this out. I gotta have my coffee. All right, so next we have Carson floating wristband. All right, so on the picture it says it floats cameras, keys, phones, and more. That's pretty cool. Perfect for boating, beach, water sports. Let's see what this says. Let your day on the water be stress-free with this floating strap that can attach to your keys, camera, or Earth Pack waterproof phone case. The foam core technology keeps important items afloat It's lightweight and comfortable, making it easy to attach to your wrist. So it does work with this. So you can attach this to this and you won't lose your phone if you drop it off the boat or at the beach, whatever. All right, so next we have Yum Butter. Keto, low carb, macadamian. And this is one of the things, I'm going to time out for a second. This is one of the things that I risk coming out here for you guys. If you can see what's on my finger right there, that is a tick. So, all for you guys, okay? So now we got to get rid of this tick. When you catch them crawling, they're easy to get rid of because all you have to do is cut them with your knife. We'll do another video on ticks, so let you guys know what to do and how I address that out here, doing all my videos outside. So now that let's get back on track. That joker was crawling on the back of my neck. Anyway, Yum Butter Keto Low Carb Macadamium with MCT powder. So 2 grams of carbs, 20 grams of plant-based fats, and 3 grams of protein. So this is ready to give you all the nutrients you need to fuel your next adventure. So we'll test that out and give you guys a follow-up as to how it is. And all good sunscreen butter. So this, I wish I'd have had this when we went to the beach a couple weeks ago. Let's get into this, check it out. So it looks like it melted a little bit. Okay. So it's just a white sunscreen butter and SPF 50. Very water resistant, up to 80 minutes. Contains organic ingredients, and it's 1 ounce in a screw top tin. So that is pretty cool. Goes on white, rubs in clear. So yeah. And last thing we have in here is Travel Light with Us Aloha Collection. Looks like a Tyvek pouch. So let's get into this. See how we get into this. So it's a zippered pouch. Okay. So it is 100% coated Tyvek, hand wash, hang dry, keep dry things dry. So yeah, a pretty cool little bag. So if you don't have one of these, then you could keep your phone in that and it would keep it dry. Keep your money, your wallet, stuff like that. And it has on here, it says travel, surf, yoga, hello, goodbye. Pretty cool little bag. Splash proof pouch. Your new favorite bag is here, designed to keep your wet stuff separate or so your dry stuff stays dry. This small lightweight pouch will become part of your everyday essentials. Made of technical material, it will keep your personal items protected against splashes, spills, or weather while you go from point A to point B. Aloha donates 5% of profit annually to Hawaii Conservation to help protect the natural beauty of the island. So that is pretty cool. Pretty cool item. These are some really good things in here that could be very useful for your day in the water, or on the water, excuse me, or in the water, I guess. So if you're interested, I will drop links in the description below for Nomadik. You can get over, check out Nomadik, make a purchase, subscribe, get 1 month. If you're interested in trying it out, get 1 month, try it, see if you want to go longer. But I encourage you, if you enjoy the outdoors, if you like these subscription style boxes and you like the outdoors, this is the box for you. When you sign up, you tell them your shoe size, you tell them your cell phone that you have and stuff like that. That way they can size stuff correctly to send it to you. I've gotten socks, I've gotten phone cases, all sorts of stuff. So you get personalized, somewhat personalized items for you based on your selections at the beginning of your subscriptions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Drop a comment. Have you ever done Nomadik? Are you thinking about Nomadik? And what do you think about these items? Do you think they're useful? I will try my best to get some prices for these items and put it in the description so you can determine if it's worth $32.95. All right, well, that is it, guys. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.